Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing the second look for the Tarteist Pro Palette for this week's palette of the week. And yeah, let's get started. So I've been going back and forth on what kind of a look I want to do today, but I think I want to incorporate the trendy shade, which is like that blue-brown, and maybe some like more purpley shades because I really like purple. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with my NYX glitter primer. So first off, I'm just gonna apologize for how dirty my brushes are. I do wipe them off like with a switch cleaner, but they do stain because I use color a lot. I'm gonna go into the shade Chic right here, which is like this nude, almost purpley, cool tone skin tone shade. I don't know. I'm just gonna use that as my transition shade in my crease. Then I'm going to dip into the shade Profesh, which is this kind of really light purpley shade. And then I'm going to go into the shade Drama right here for my outer corner. Now I'm just going to blend that all out. I'm going to take the shade Chic again and just kind of re-blend that out in the crease. Now I'm just going to take the shade Mod and just kind of do a halo, but leave the center open still. Okay, and then I'm just going to take on my pinky the trendy shade. And then I'm just going to go back into the Drama shade and deepen up the outer corner. Now I'm going to take the shade Vintage, which is like a pure white, and put that in the inner corner. I'm also going to put that underneath brow bone. So I'm going to finish the rest of my face and my eyes off camera. I might add liner. I'm deciding right now, but I'll check back in a minute. Okay guys, so the products that I used were the EX1 Invisible Wear, or Invisi Wear liquid foundation in the shade 4. Then the NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade in black. My lashes are falling off. I actually kind of successfully put on lashes today, guys. Didn't know I could do it, although they are coming off at the edge, but we're gonna ignore that. I did contour. Went a little heavy with the cheek products today, but I used the Highlight and Contour Palette by IBY Beauty, and I used the third shade to contour, and I also did set my under eye. I didn't conceal, but just to kind of brighten a little bit, I used the highlighter too, which is like a banana-y-ish powder. Then for bronzer, I used the Pure Bronze and Brightener palette. I used the bronzer and then the highlight. The blush was way too dark for me. I'm not actually wearing any blush today. And then for lashes, I used the Kiss lashes in the section 02, and I used the top ones. And then for lips, I'm wearing the ColourPop Lippy Stick in Glam Bag, and this is a ultra matte or a matte X lippy stick. So, and yeah, I think that's everything. So if you enjoyed this look, please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!